So bored. You know, I wish I had an Amiga. If I had an Amiga, I could do all kinds of cool stuff. Like, look at this stuff. This is good. What's in here? Let's see. Wow, there's some sports games. I like those. And here's some adventure games. Those are great. And wow, look at these arcade games. And wow, that's some neat stuff. And what is that? That's cool too. And it's hot. Wow. Now, what's this stuff? This is, wow, you know, if I just had an Amiga, it'd really be cool. Maybe on my birthday or Christmas or something. Yeah.
Oliver Twist. Oliver. Ronald. Oliver. Ronald. This is called the Oliver Twist. In case some facts you might have missed, we're bringing the witness back on stand, even if this song gets banned. Colonel North, we need to know some more before we let you crawl out the door. Aren't you the type that likes to take risks and camouflage truth with military twists? With special thanks to Central Intelligence, we are without a shred of evidence. The president can't remember what he signed. Maybe it's because he's losing his mind. Did he know his name was Ronald Reagan? Or maybe he thought of himself as Megan, and you were the cheats out on the streets doing illegal acts to marching beats. If you think the world believes what you said, then you'll need a new hat for your swollen head. How can they respect our word when the things we do are so absurd? Do you ever think when terrorists take a hostage, or are you stuck trying to raise prestige? Maybe it's because they're trying to tell us, look, be fair, we've got one of your fellas. It would be nice if everything went right, but when it don't, why must you start a fight? There is no end to retaliation. There's something you missed in your education, Oliver. Ronald, blessed be the peacemakers born again. If you really want peace, get rid of your guns. Oliver Twist.